Hi everyone, I'm Christina. Welcome to AISQ Business. Today we are going to talk about what we do when we make some changes inside our website, but we are not seeing them correctly when we are previewing our website. So let's log in inside our website using our admin username, and then let's edit the website with Elementor. I'm going to edit the homepage because I'm on the homepage right now. So let's click over here to edit with Elementor. In order to demonstrate the difference between what you see inside Elementor when you're making changes and what you see when you're previewing your website, I'm going to add a new section. I'm going to go over here to Media Library. From categories, I'm going to choose, let's say, Call to Action, and I'm going to insert this one. I'm going to change the images really quick. By clicking on the image, we can change the image from over here. Like so. So let's click on this container to advance, because I want a bit of space everywhere actually. So let's change this to 6, to the bottom to 6. And because this button is very close to this section, I'm going over here to unlink the values to the margin. I'm going to change this to percentage and make it like so. Okay, so we can see the change over here. So this looks good, right? Okay, let's click on Publish. And then by opening our website again and scrolling to the new section, it doesn't look good when we're previewing our website. First thing that I want you to do in order to make sure that it is indeed a functionality problem and not a cache problem is to click on Ctrl-Shift-R. And then there we go. The website looks good. This is because it's a cache problem and it's not actually a functionality problem. Another thing that you can do is go over here to this icon and purge all in order to delete all the cache that we have. You could also open your website in a different browser if you want to. So let's do that and scroll to the end of the page to see our new section. And we can see that the section looks good. So in case the Ctrl-Shift-R or Ctrl-F5 or Ctrl-Shift-F5 doesn't work for you and doesn't resolve the problem that you are seeing in your website, then we will have to go over here to this icon, to Cookies and Site Data, over here to Manage On-Device Site Data, and click on this trash bin. And click on Done. Then we have to reload the page, log in again inside our WordPress website using our admin username. So this is basically another way to clear your cache. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.